Here we have an example of what you can do in 2022 with some older PC hardware. So this is a modified and upgraded Dell Inspiron 530 desktop PC. And this thing originally shipped with Windows Vista and also, as you see on the sticker here, it has a Intel Core 2 Quad Q6600 CPU, 4-core, 4-thread, 2.4 gigahertz. Surprisingly not too bad for gaming and other PC workstation tasks. We have 4x USB 2.0, microphone and headphone input, an old IEEE 1394 interface. There's the optical drive, another expansion bay should you choose to use it. And here we have an older Glacier Tech CPU fan and heatsink that I installed because the other fan, the stock Intel, was just making too much noise, and the stock exhaust fan still works just fine. For storage, we have a 200GB Seagate Barracuda hard drive, and for Windows boot drive, and we have a 128GB SanDisk X110 solid state drive. There's the XFX ATI Radeon HD 5770 graphics card, 1GB GDDR5, and there is the stock, I believe, 320 watt LiteOn power supply, which is definitely enough for the system. So let's check out the rear I/O. There's a VGA port that you won't need to use. Once this focuses, here we go. 4x USB 2.0 RJ45 Ethernet port, a range of audio in and out. And the rear I/O of the graphics card has 2x DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. So you can still run up to 3 monitors or 4 monitors with this graphics card. Not too bad on the budget. So here we have the Tomb Raider benchmark. Clocking in at the average frame per second, that is definitely playable. And here we have Overcooked. You can have some fun playing with friends. And here's an example of how Counter-Strike runs on this hardware, which is totally smooth and totally fine. Maybe paired with a better monitor. I should note that I don't really play this game that much, and this is just the training session. And I decided to run the Heaven benchmark to see what kind of results we would get, and it's what I expected. And to end it off, we have an example of Valorant. I don't play this game outside of maybe testing it on different systems, but I just wanted to show that you can play this game totally fine on this older system and it'll look pretty good. So hopefully this helps you decide if you want to spend, say, $150 Canadian or $500 or $1,000 to play these games. What kind of experience you're really going to get in 2022. Thanks a lot.